Okay, so welcome back. Now we're going to solve this system of equations. So this is the system of equations that we came up with in the example at the beginning with the masses that were balanced on the fulcrum or balanced on the meter stick or whatever it was. But so now we're going to solve this one using the same technique, same algorithm. Now notice how I put all the variables on one side, lined them up, right? So h's with h's, c's with c's. So this is the way we start out, and now what we're going to do is we're going to solve this using those elementary reduction operations that I referred to. Okay, so now, here's what we're going to do. Well, we've got to get rid of the h in the second row. So how do we do that? Well, we've got to get these to be the same, right? So we've got to multiply the first row by something that will give us negative 50. Okay? So if you notice, if I divide by 4, I get 10, and then I multiply by 5, I get 50, and then 50 minus 50, right, or added to negative 50 will cancel. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's all I need to do to figure out how to eliminate the h here. So I'm going to do 5/4 times row 1 plus row 2. And so now what's going to happen? Well, row 1 is going to be unchanged, so I'm just going to copy that. And then what happens to row 2? Well, this is going to go away, and then what's going to happen? I'm going to do divide by 4 multiplied by 5, right? Well, what am I going to get here? 75 divided by 4. So I'm going to get 75 fourths, right? Because again, if you multiply by 5, you get 75. And then I'm going to divide that by 4. Okay? Well, what am I going to get? If I do 75 divided by 4, I get what? 8. Right? So again, 75 divided by 4, or excuse me, I'm sorry, 18. Right? Because 20 times 4 is 80. Okay, so if we subtract 4 from that, we get 76. So it'll be 18, right? So it'll be 18 and 1/2 is what we'll end up getting. Right? Okay? But let's just keep it this way. Okay, so in this case here, we're going to get 0. We're going to get 25. Let's see, 25, so we'll get negative, 75 fourths, right? 75 fourths. Okay, so let's just do the math here. So this is going to be 75 fourths plus 25, which is going to be what? 100 divided by 4, which equals 175 over 4. We'll just leave it like that. Okay, just leave it as a fraction instead of mixed numbers, and we'll figure it out at the end. So 175 fourths C. So we get 175 fourths C equals, we got to do the same thing here. Okay, so what? We get well, 250 divided by 4. Oops. And we're done, right? So we're not going to simplify it any further. We got rid of the h. Let me make sure I did this right. Oh, I'm sorry. Should be an extra 0 there. Multiply by 100. No, that's right. No, that's right. Yeah, 5 times 50. Yeah, that's right. So now, we can solve. Oh, wait a minute. That is wrong. Wrong number. It's not 250, it's times 100. It is times 100. I was multiplying by this one, my bad. So it's 4/5 times this one plus this. So it's going to be, 25 times 5 is 125. Which is 100, yeah, okay. Wait a minute, is that right? 125, 175? Yeah, it is. So 175. That makes things easier. So just to recap, so we're doing 5/4 of this, right? So this divided by 4 is 25. 5 times 25 is 125. Plus 50 is 175. And that's where we get that. Okay, now we're finished. Okay, I knew something wasn't looking right. So now we can solve this. Now this becomes easy. They're not always going to be this easy. So in this case here, I'm just going to multiply both sides by 4. Or actually, I could just divide both sides by 175. That's even easier, right? And then multiply by 4, so I get 4. So C is going to be 4 kilograms, right? Remember, they were in kilograms, the masses. Now that I know C, now I can find H, because this is going to give me 60, right? 4 times 50 is 60. Subtract 60 from 100, and I get 40, right? And that means that H is going to be 1 kilogram. And so there's my solution, okay? And we'll do the chemistry one a little later. Okay, there we go. See, even I make mistakes.